A farmer and his son were opening a bag when a mouse peeked through the wall. The mouse looked at the bag and thought, what would be in this bag?
Maybe something to eat. Today I will enjoy.
After a while, the mouse saw a mouse trap and became afraid of it. The mouse became worried that now farmer and his son will capture him through this trap. The mouse went away to tell his friends about the mouse trap.
Be alert, a mouse trap has been brought into the house.
Hearing this, the hen proudly said,
Dear mouse, I have no issue with this because I cannot get trapped in it. So only you have to be alert.
Then the mouse went to the goat and told him that the farmer has brought a mouse trap into the house.
Dear mouse, I feel sad for you. I can do nothing but I will pray for you.
The mouse, worried and feeling sad, went back to the house.
I live in this house, so I will have to cope with this mouse trap.
Thinking this, the mouse went to sleep. At night, the mouse heard a sound and got worried that someone has got trapped in the mouse trap. He went towards the mouse trap and saw that a snake has been trapped in it. Hearing the sound, the farmer's son also came there. As it was dark, he thought that a mouse has been trapped. When he tried to touch the mouse trap, the snake bit him, and poison started spreading in his body. The farmer took him to the hospital. After a complete treatment, the doctor allowed him to go home. They came back home, but the farmer's son became very weak. The farmer thought to slaughter the hen for sake of his son's health. So the next day, the farmer slaughtered the hen and fed its soup to his son. His relatives started to come to ask about his son's health. So the farmer slaughtered the goat to prepare food for them. A few days later, the farmer's son became healthy. But both friends of the mouse lost their lives. The mouse felt sad for his selfish friends.
Alas, I wish both my friends had helped me.
Moral: if we want to avoid pain and trouble, then we should help those who are already in pain and trouble.